Hi guys, I going to talk about fever. Please ignore this and this part, please. Um, let's start. What is the fever? Fever is a non-specific response mediated by endogenous and pyogenes released from host cells in the response to infectious or other disorder. Basic process. Normal temperature generates from production of energy in the form of the heat and loss of energy to the environment. Thermoregulation mechanisms. The organism regulates your body temperature in the forms autonomous and involuntary. The hypothalamus, it is the thermal control center, receives information from the thermoreceptors and peripheral centers. Normal body temperature is actually oral, rectal, and otic. Characteristics of fever can be located, that is, origin is known, no located, it is origin is not clear. Causes of fever. Short term, less than 2 weeks, virulent the most frequent and bacterial. Long lasting, greater than 2 weeks, infection, neoplants, cholangitis, and vasculitis. Fever syndrome. It is characterized by increase in the body temperature, which includes the presence of set symptoms and signs, circulatory, digestive, nervous, and respiratory. Temperature regulation mechanisms. Hypothalamic thermoregulatory center, cold and heat receptor in the skin, mechanism active by cold and heat. The skin is endowed with cool and heat receptors. Also, the receptor of temperature is spinal cord, abdominal, visceral. These two types of receptor prevent hypothermia. Clinical manifestation. The physiological behavior that they represent during the development of fever can be divided into four successive phases. The first, a prodromal phase, the second, a phase of chill, during which the temperature increases, and third, a phase of redness, fourth, a phase of effervescence. During the prodromal phase, there is a non-specific complaint such as mild headache and fatigue, general malaise and flutive pain. In the chill phase, there is an uncomfortable feeling of being cold and general tremor begins. Vasoconstriction and piloerection usually precede the onset of shivering. In the ruddy phase, there is a cutaneous vasodilatation and the skin remains warm and ruddy. In the effervescent phase, it is indicated by the onset of diaphoresis. Type of fever. Intermittent fever characterized by presenting alternate elevation with downward reaching the normal. Continuous fever is the greater than 39 degree with a persistent 1 degree oscillation of the temperature x several days. Recurring fever characterized by alternating fever periods with a fever period. Waving fever, progressive and sudden rise in the temperature stay high with certain oscillation for days or weeks. Subsequently descends gradually in the normalization in days or weeks a new outbreak of fever can occur. Thanks guys. Goodbye.